Sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay dito sa UCBL, we'd like to welcome you all sa ating second game kung saan ang Bulacan State University Gold Gears will be going up against the University of Batangas Brahmans. Kaya ilabas na ang chicharon, ang pastillas, ang lomi at bulalo at kakain na kami. Hindi pala, mag-cover kami itong ating second game. Benji Santiago, kasama ko rito si Coach Chris De La Cruz, and of course sabi nga natin, itong Bulacan State University still very much in contention. Buhay pa ang kanilang kampanya dito sa ating UCBL. As for University of Batangas Brahmans, of course, they're still on that lookout. Sino ang kanilang mabibiktima to come up with their first win dito sa inaugural season ng UCBL, Coach?
Ito ang Bulacan State University, no? Buhay na buhay yung kanilang chances. As we see the team standings, they are in 4th place with 4 wins and 5 loss record. Pag nanalo sila ngayon, mas masusolidify nila yung hold nila dyan sa posisyon nila going into the semifinals.
Dahil 4 lang nga po ang papasok, Final 4 ang tawag natin. Twice to beat ang 1 and 2. Pag-usapan muna natin itong Bulacan State University Gold Gears. Nakabawi sila laban sa Colegio de San Lorenzo Griffins in their last outing. And of course, makikita natin dito the first meeting ng Bulacan laban sa University of Batangas. Dito umiscore na 43 si Dominic Fajardo. At of course, yung kanilang laban nga against CDSL, that was really a close one, a nail-biter, a cliffhanger.
Nakikita natin dito, no? Dominic Fajardo, yung kanyang scoring prowess, all-around player, 43 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, and 2 steals. Supported by Den De Leon with 17 points, 8 rebounds, and 2 assists. At sumasama sa equation si Master Mendoza with 14 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and Paul De La Cruz with 11 points, 6 rebounds, and 6 assists.
To solidify a hold in 4th place at pumasok sa Final 4, kasama ngayon ni si Coach Antonino tayo ng Bulacan State University with Bailey, ang ating courtside reporter.
Thank you, Benji. Coach, you guys are looking to strengthen that number 4 spot of yours. Every game is now crucial for you. What is your game plan today?
Sabi ko sa kanila, focus pa rin sa game namin, saka talagang maglaro sila as a team, saka enjoy nila yung bawat game namin, saka huwag masyadong matakot doon sa kumpiyansa ang kailangan natin.
Coach, during the first round ay nagtagumpay kayo against the Brahmans. Anong kailangan nyo gawin para magtagumpay muli sa larong ito?
Yung sabi ko sa kanila, huwag bibigyan na easy shot yung kalaban namin, gandahan namin yung depensa namin, saka yung sa shaded area talaga i-deny nila yung mga big man nila kasi karamihan nung sa Brahmans karamihan po malalaki sila. Then yung box out, kailangan na sabi ko sa kanila, control nila na wag magkaroon ng second rebound yung kalaban namin. Kaya sabi ko sa kanila is go hard at sipag talaga sa depensa.
Thank you, Coach. Good luck. Back to you guys.
It's like Coach Antonino tayo is saying na do not take any of our games lightly. Kahit ang University of Batangas naghahanap ng kanilang unang panalo. Now, to talk about University of Batangas Brahmans, ito, tingnan natin. Natalo nga sila sa Bulacan State University. Talagang iniskoran sila with heavy numbers. Itong ni Dominic Fajardo. And in their last game, laban sa Olivares, natalo nga sila dyan 87-74. Mangbibiktima daw sila kung sakasakali ang University of Batangas.
Yun ang dapat ingatan ng Bulacan State University. Uhaw to Uhaw sa panalo tong University of Batangas. Pero magaganda yung pinapakita ng mga players nila. Starting with Pido Arboleda with 16 points, 1 rebound and 4 assists sa huli nilang pagtatagpo nitong Bulacan State University. RJ Gabriel with 15 points, 12 rebounds. VJ Gotham, 14 points, 5 rebounds, and 3 assists. And Chester Abanador, 14 points, 3 rebounds, and 1 steal.
At right now, kasama ni Baylis, si Coach Arnold Contorno ng University of Batangas.
Thank you, Benji. Coach, since yun nga, unfortunately, you guys have been out of contention, and as of this point, you are playing the spoilers role. And the biggest challenge for you guys is to get a win. Paano mo minomotivate ng players mo?
Sasabi ko sa kanila is hanggang may laro pa tayo, tatapusin muna natin ito. And then, we need to get the first win here in the UCBL. Ang lahat ng ginagawa namin na yun is to concentrate on our defense. Especially ito, paano namin ma-stop yung transition nila. Since sa lahat ng statistic, natalo kami sa kanila yung first game, na napakamalaking points sa kinuha na sa transition. And then, I'm just telling the boys na walang mangyayari sa atin kung di tayo magtatrabaho ng sama-sama.
Coach, during the first round ay kumapos kayo against the Gold Gears. Anong ginawa mong mga preparasyon para sa larong ito?
Yun nga sabi ko, we must stop their transition play. Lalo na yung si Fajardo sa first game namin ay nakascore na sa amin yan ng 43 points eh. So ang sa amin namin, hindi namin naman sinasabi na hindi siya mag-score, ay sa amin, limited lang namin siya. Saka yun, sinasabi natin yung fast break nila, natatapon na ng bola tapos kumukuha na siya kaagad ng bola.
Thank you, Coach. Good luck and back to you guys.
Well, totoo yan. Malaking bagay yung 43 points si Dominic Fajardo. Kung yun nga talaga ang misyon nitong University of Batangas na malimitahan si Dominic Fajardo, yun ang kanilang dapat gawin. Pero yun ba ang makikita natin dito sa ball game na ito? Sa aming pagbabalik, simulan na natin.
Okay, once again, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back here at the Olivares College Coliseum for our main game today as two of the provincial teams competing in the inaugural season of the UCBL square off. It's Bulacan State University going up against University of Batangas. And now, let's call out the starters. First up, for the Bulacan State University Gold Gears. A small forward, number 16, Dan De Leon. At center, number 10, John Hauco. At shooting guard, number 8, Kenneth Reyes. At point guard, number 4, Christian Nesho. And a power forward, number 19, Dominique Fajardo. The head coach for the Gold Gears is Antonino Tayao. And now let's welcome the starting unit of the University of Batangas Brahmans. At shooting guard, number 3, Chester Abanador. At power forward, number 5, R.J. Gabriel. At point guard, number 9, Gio Calacalzade. At small forward, number 18, J. Cotton. And at center, number 19, Raul Yameli. The head coach for the Brahmans is Arnold Contona. Officials for the ballgame are June Olivar, Don Argelius, and Zep Tingo. Fuertes Alan Rosana.
And we are still here at the Olivares College Coliseum for the continuing action of the second round of eliminations para sa UCBL, Universities and Colleges Basketball League, our time to shine, as we're going to be taking a look at our referees for this ball game. June Olivar, Don Arguelles, Sev Pingol, Alan Manzano is the fourth man, and of course, headed by referee supervisor Mr. Ariel Bermeo. Talunan sa gitna is about to happen to get things going para sa ball game na ito. Dominic Fajardo against Raul Yameli. Si Raul Yameli, big improvement kada ball game. He's making a lot of progress. Kumbaga sa computer, laging may system upgrade. Ito si Raul Yameli, Coach Chris.
Yun naman ang intention dito ng University of Batangas Brahmans, no? Matuto sa pagsali nila ngayon sa UCBL. And game by game, yung mga players nila may natututunang bago. Lalo na si Yameli.
Traveling call against RJ Gabriel earlier. And right now, ito ang Bulacan State University. John Hauco along with Christian Nesho. Ben De Leon is there. Kenneth Reyes for the 3. It's a miss. And of course, si Dominic Fajardo kanina. Ben De Leon getting it back. Tries again. Nothing. At ito si RJ Gabriel bringing down the basketball. RJ Gabriel Naiangat, di nga lang pumasok. And Dendelion. Good boxing out on Raul Yemelli. Fajardo. Ito. Nawala yung bola. Abanador. Aray.
Sumobra kagad ang tingin doon, Benji.
Depensa ang premium na gusto mangyari ni Coach Arnold Contorno ng University of Batangas.
Dahil alam nila itong Bulacan State University kayang umiscore ng kalaki-laki.
John Halco with the first basket in this ball game.
Good cut by John Halco sa ilalim, no? Nice recognition from Dominic Fajardo.
Fajardo is the #1 guy in scoring and also in steals. Oh! Ano nga sinasabi ron? Nakatingin ka na sa ring, hindi pa dumarating yung bola sa'yo.
At pangalawa na yun ni RJ Gabriel. Siya din kanina ang naka-commit ng turnover.
2-0 para sa Bulacan. Dendelion against Gio Calacalzada. This is going to be a very interesting matchup. Bilis kay Calacalzada, some power moves para kay Dendelion. At ito, si John Halco. Nakita dun sa ilalim ni Dominic Fajardo. Fajardo, pabandang tira, wala.
Yun ang inaabangan ko, yung kung anong ipoproduce ngayon ni Dominic Fajardo.
43 in their first meeting.
Yes.
RJ Gabriel blocked by Dominic Fajardo. Pero ito yung Raul Yemelli, the #1 guy in rebounding naman. 11 rebounds per ball game. Average. Ito si Raul Yemelli. 2-all. Foul. Loose ball foul called against Christian Nesio.
Masyadong nirarush ng Bulacan State University yung kanilang mga tira. Siguro dapat di mas compose down. Malma lang para makapag-execute na maayos.
Sometimes ang style kasi nitong Bulacan sa napapansin ko, gusto nila lumayo kagad eh. Parang hindi na masyadong hirap eh pag nag-progress na yung ball game. To all. Alley-oop play. Naibaba pa yung bola ni VJ Gotham. Ito na yan. RJ Gabriel!
Nice cut there in the middle by RJ Gabriel. Bumawi doon sa dalawang turnovers na nakumit niya early in this ball game.
Maganda yung ginagawa nila to gang up on Dominic Fajardo.
Yes. Dinideny na kagad nila ng pwesto si Dominic Fajardo doon sa kanyang sweet spot.
At most times, Dominic Fajardo, open court. Diyan magaling yan. Mahirap pigilin yan eh. Happy Toothpaste, Dr. Edwards Sterilized Drinking Water by Euromed, our sponsors here for the UCBL, a miss by Chester Abanador. He's got that touch from the outside. Nga lang pumasok kanina. Halco to Dendelion. No. Gotham for the rebound. That's Gio Calacalzada finding RJ Gabriel inside. Nako, napalpal ng ilalim ng ring. Oops, napakialaman ni VJ Gotham. Gotham, now to Raul Yemelli. Si Raul Yemelli, pag malapit sa basket, mahirap istapin. And most of the time, hindi siya nagkakamali.
Yes. Mahirap mo nang pigilin yung ganung pwesto ng player. Pag nakapunta na siya sa sweet spot niya, bigay na yun.
Taking a look at this play one more time. When VJ Gotham got a steal and then setting up Raul Yemelli for the basket. 6-2, University Batangas with a 4-point lead. Still on the lookout rather for that first win. Dito na kaya mangyari? First quarter pa lamang tayo. Welcome back. Lamang po ng 4 ang University of Batangas Brahmans. Laban dito sa Bulacan. Napansin ko si Sam Heidelberg is already in the ball game para rin sa panis ng University of Batangas Brahmans. Siya pumulit kay RJ Gabriel. Running shot won't go. The second ayaw pa rin for Dendelion. Gotham. Abanador. Quick release. Uy, may foul called against Dendelion. Dalawang free throws to para kay Chester Abanador. And technical foul.
Kasi hindi niya hinahabol yung bola doon.
Oo, tama.
Hinahabol niya doon. So para sa mga nanonood sa ating mga kabataang naglalaro ng basketball, basic yun. Okay? Habulin yung bola. Huwag yung tao.
Tama. Hindi na uso yung sa barangay, papaulin mo. Hinuhubaran mo na shorts.
Away.
Pwede yun.
Away ang binibili mo nun.
HP Products by Advanced Solutions, Manila Bulletin, more of our sponsors dito po sa UCBL. Muli po Benji Santiago, Coach Chris King de la Cruz, and of course, Bailey Sakot at courtside. A miss shooting for the 3. Itong si Gio Calacalzada. Kenneth Reyes, parating Dominic Fajardo, walang bola maiangat. Gotham, quick hands. Gio Calacalzada, no problem.
Mukhang inaalat pa ngayon ng puntos ang Bulacan State University. Hindi pa gumagana yung mga usual suspects nila.
Kaya nga. Eto, they go Dominic Fajardo. Kenneth Reyes missing it from the outside. Yemeli for the rebound. Takbuhan ng Batangas. Calacalzada. Foul on Christian Nesio.
Alam mo, Benji, napaka-risky nung ginagawa ng Bulacan State University. They want to speed up their offense, pero ang bagal nilang bumaba sa depensa na hindi nila na mahabol yung mga fast break ng University of Batangas.
6-point lead for Batangas. Raul Yemeli trying to get closer. A foul's going to be called against John Halco.
Using their strengths there, ang University of Batangas, nakita nila, nahihirapan si John Halco na bantayan si Yemeli. Bigay ng bola doon sa loob.
I've had the chance to see it. Si Raul Yemeli battling it out, toe-to-toe. Laban kay Rodrigo Bondo ng CEU against Aiki Akpuro ng TIP. Nasa penalty bigla itong Bulacan State University. Si Hauco pa lamang po umi-score sa Bulacan, ha? Masok yung free throws na yan. Free throw na yung una. Cafe France, Congo Grill, Karate Kid. In fact, meron pa nga tayong mga pinamimigay na GCs sa best player of the games once in a while sa mga student fans who are enjoying the UCBL. So great support coming from our sponsors dito sa UCBL. A steal! And VJ Gotham umapak nga lang sa linya. Pero parang pangatlong steals.
Yes. Anticipated nila magiging cut ni Dendele yun dun sa gilid.
Eto, kapapasok lamang ni Master Mendoza. Yes, Master!
Master!
10-4 para sa Batangas. Sam Heidelberg. Gotham, meron siya niyan. Tapos nga lang that time. Paul De La Cruz. Master Mendoza, walang bola. Pero napunta kay De La Cruz. And then they go inside to Dendelion. Missing it, Dendelion lost it. Gio Calacalzada spinning away from his defender. Gio Calacalzada. Nag-invento bigla ng tira eh. Sa kaliwa, nag-aabang si Chester Abanador.
Hindi niya nakita si Chester Abanador doon. Yung sinasabi natin good recognition dapat. Makita natin yung teammate natin na kung sinong libre.
VJ Gotham has done his thing on the defensive end. Tingnan natin ngayon yung kanyang offense naman rito.
Benji, yun yung Filipino type of basketball minsan. Yung
Oo.
tatlo na yung sumasalubong sa'yo, ipipilit mo pa rin yung tira. Unlike the Koreans, nagkaroon ako ng mga nakalaban na sa basketball no Koreans, they will really find the high percentage shot. Maski libreng-libre na, ipapasa pa sa pinakalibre.
Wala kang makikita acrobatic shot sa kanila eh, no?
Basic basketball.
Konting dribble.
Yes. Isa, dalawang dribble. Naka-execute eh. Because they know kung saan hahanapin yung kakampi nila. Alam nila kung saan pwesto yung kakampi nila.
Si Pido Arboleda pinalitan. Itong si Gio Calacalzada. 3-point specialist din yan ng University of Batangas. Brahmans. Hauco inside to Dominic Fajardo. Hindi pa pumupunto si Dominic Fajardo.
Inaalat ngayon si Dominic Fajardo. Itong first quarter na to. No?
Arboleda. Nope. Arboleda breaking up that play. Palakpak si Coach Arnold Contorno. We want defense. So far, it's holding for them. They have an 8-point lead, 12-4. Laban sa Bulacan. Vijay Gautam started this ball game. He's still on the floor and he's doing his thing on defense. Samantala sa kabila si Dominic Fajardo still struggling. Hindi nga niya maiangat yung bola eh.
Yes.
Malaking problema yun. Dominic Fajardo still scoreless.
Scorer of our league.
Yes. Master Mendoza drives the baseline. Then the kick out to Dendelion. May foul against Chester Abanador.
Good foul kasi lusot na dun si Dendelion.
Unang team foul pa lang ng Batangas.
Patunay yun that they're playing good defense.
Sablay si Dendelion. 4 na puntos lamang ang Bulacan.
Tipid na tipid, Benji.
Arboleda. Heidelberg. Inside Raul Yameli na bitiwan. Na-effect. Na-itira. Pumasok!
Gandang galaw ni Yameli sa loob, no?
Aba. Batangas, ha? Lamang na kayo na 10, ha? Aba. Bottom with the rebound. Oh, sayang.
Pinaninindigan nila yung sinabi ni Baylis kanina sa interview, no? Yung spoilers role.
Dominic Fajardo will be given a chance to score as he was fouled. Sam Heidelberg. Pero ito si Raul Yameli, oh. Nagkamali na na. Against 2 defenders.
Yes.
Very patient.
Ang ganda ng seal ni Raul Yameli dun, no? Nabitawan na yung bola. Malakas kasi yung katawan eh.
So hindi raw pwedeng masiro si Dominic Fajardo.
Yes. Hindi.
Limitahan lang naman na sinabi, di ba?
Limitahan lang.
Hindi naman sinabing huwag niyong pa-iskorin. Arboleda. Chester Abanador driving. Wala. Abanador getting it back. Going to Sam Heidelberg. Ayaw pa rin Heidelberg. Second chance. Yes!
Gandang recognition ni Abanador kay Heidelberg. Nakita niya kagad, binigay niya.
Don't look now, but this is an 11-point lead para sa University of Batangas Brahmans. Master Mendoza. Oh, traveling. Napilitan siya gumakbang ng extra. Biglang nag-extend yung depensa ni Raul Yameli sa kanya.
Ilang kay Raul Yameli.
So pinagpahinga na rin si VJ Gotham at itong si Renz Cervantes. Yes, Renz Cervantes ang nasa ball game. Batang kapatid ni Renz Cervantes yan, Coach Chris.
Talaga ng professional league, no?
Raul Yameli, offensive rebound, and he scores again!
Nice positioning there by Raul Yameli.
Hirap na hirap sila. Raul Yameli. Ayan. Pulot. And then, pag malapit sa basket, he knows his advantage.
Alam niyang matangkad siya. Alam niyang mas yun ang advantage niya doon sa kaagaw niya sa rebound.
Then nakita ni Coach Arnold Contorno. Teka muna, huminga ka na sa bibig. Pagpapahingahin muna kita.
Tumutukod na.
Paul De La Cruz makes the first free throw. Missing the second one. Cervantes now to Arboleda. Kala Calzada back on the floor here. Master Mendoza driving.
Again, anticipating the pass. Nakatingin na kagad sa ring.
JV Mendoza.
Yes.
Kapapasok pa lamang. Malamig.
Malamig pa eh.
Heidelberg handles. Arboleda launches it from the outside. Talaga nga naman, tinutuluyan na yata. Tinutuluyan na ba?
Yun, may traveling violation pa ngayon.
2.9 seconds before we end the first quarter. University of Batangas Brahmans. From the backcourt. Oh, muntik pa for Gio Calzada. Never have they led this big as far as I'm concerned. This is a 15-point lead para sa University of Batangas Brahmans. Welcome back. Punta muna natin si Bailey Sakot.
Thank you, Benji. Pag-usapan muna natin ng Gold Gears. The Gold Gears are looking to continue staying aggressive and running the break. Coach Antonino wants his boys to overpass and make those touch passes in order to challenge the zone defense of the Brahmans. He wants to find his big men and look for the shooters. For Coach Arnold Contorno, the Brahmans are looking to push the ball and run the transition offense as well. Coach Arnold wants his boys to play smarter and rotate quicker on defense and go for those second chance points. Back to you guys.
All right. Thank you very much, Baileys. This is a 15-point lead para sa University of Batangas Brahmans. Wala pa silang panalo. Maaga pa kaya sabihin natin na baka sakasakaling dito na? Sabi ni Kenneth Reyes, maaga pa ka.
Maaga pa.
Hahabol kami.
Wag munang magsalita ng tapos.
May agaw pa. Fajardo with his first field goal.
Yes.
3 points.
They're stepping up the pressure now. University of Batangas.
40 points away na lang.
40 points away nila sa kanyang usual
Dominic
outing.
Fajardo.
Yes.
Arboleda tried the dish pero napakialaman ni John Hauco. This is what I was talking about. Dominic Fajardo. Back to back. And a quick timeout is going to be called here by University of Batangas. Kanina 15.